When we come across a question with different symbols, we often get confused which one to solve first. And that's why a specific order known as PEMDAS was introduced. This is accepted universally. That means you solve for parenthesis first, then go for exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Here, multiplication and division have same priority. Out of multiplication and division, which one to solve first? It was decided no matter what, solve from left to right. In this case, going from left to right, multiplication comes first. So solve for this. Next, solve for division. And division by a fraction is multiplication by its reciprocal. Now you have addition and subtraction, which has same priority, and again if both are given, solve from left to right. First, solve for addition. Take LCM of 2 and 12. This become 11 by 12. Again take the LCM 12. Take out the common factors and the final result is 3 by 4.